Hello again, it's Nerdle time. I don't think I'm going to be making that a catchphrase. Right, let's see how we get on today. Potentially some addition today. 70 something plus 20 something equals 90 something is plausible. So let's make it 77 plus 21 so that we can use V8 as well. Ooh. Okay, so if the plus is in the wrong place, that means there's going to be another symbol, which means it's going to be 7 plus something plus something, and it's going to end in 18 because now we've got all the digits. So we just need to guess which way around the 9 and the 2 go. Let's guess that way round. It's 50-50 at this stage, I think. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. There we go. Got it in 4 instead of 3. I'm going to call that 3.5. On to the binodal then. Oh, we've got very little on the bottom. What are we going to do about the top? 23 minus? No, the minus can't be there. How about 8 minus 7 plus... Oh, no. I mean, if we want it to be plus 2 equals 3, but for a start, that's clearly not long enough as a sum. So what can it be? 8 minus 12 plus 7 equals 3. I mean, it does, but it can't end in a 3, so can we rejig this at all? Oh, I'm not sure we can. 8 minus 7 plus 5 equals 12, but then the equals would be in the same place as before, and we know that that's wrong. Might have to come back to that one. No. How are we going to get the 7, the 2 and the 3 in there somewhere? We could do 27 over 3 minus 8 equals 1. That's a good attempt. It might be completely wrong, but it uses all different digits and it's a possible answer. Oh, another 50-50 apparently. I didn't even realise it was a 50-50 shot at the time, but yeah, there we go. What are we going to do with the bottom one then? It could just be, we've got either times or plus, but the answer is only in the 20s, so if it is plus, it's going to have to be something like 13 plus 13 equals 26, because we can't go very high. I don't like trying all those repeated digits, but I think we have to on this occasion. Right, 13 plus, okay, so it could be plus 11 or plus 10. I think those might be the only two options. In fact, it can't be plus 10 because there isn't a 3 at the end, so I think it has to be that, and it is. We'll never know if that was definitely the only answer, but I think it was. Oh dear, it's going to be another tough one here potentially. Oh no, it's not. Okay, so it has to be a 2-digit number because the times has to be there, which means the equals is going to be there. So what are we going to do? 74 times 3? No. 78 times 3. Oh, that's 224 or 234. We need to get the 1 into the answer somehow, because it obviously can't be there or there. And we can't go too high. We can't do times 8 because then that's going to be more than 400, or more than 500, and the maximum we would be able to have is 400 and something. So, Oh, something times 2, 74 times 2. It's 148. It's 146. So, okay, so it can't be something times 2. Can it be something times 3? I tried that. And it can't be that. So I think it has to be something times 4. 78 times 4? Is that 312? I think it might be. That's a fairly difficult one again. Just a long multiplication sum and trying to fit the digits into the right places. Yeah, didn't make quite as much of the meal out of it as I did the other day. Knowing that it started with a 7 obviously helped. What are we going to do here? 9 times 8. Or 72. Let's try some division. Divided by 24 equals 3. Oh wow, all the correct digits just in the wrong order. So is it 9 divided by 24 times 8? Is it as simple as just switching around the two parts? It is. That's another 50-50 that I've got wrong, essentially. But still, I can't complain with a 32-second solve. What should we start with here? Let's do 18 over 9. Helps if I put the equals in. Oh, there is a 9. So something like, well, let's try 14 minus 5, because then if it turns out to be 13 minus 4, we'll be half right, so it'll give us more information. There we go. See, if I tried 13 minus 4 to start with, I would have only got information if it was 13 minus 4 or 14 minus 5. Whereas if it was 14 minus 5 that I guessed, I'd have got information on 3 potential sums, because it would have been 13, 14 or 15. That was my logic. You can disagree with the logic in the comments, but at least there was some logic. Oh, the logic here is that I should not have started with that sum. I need some bigger numbers. 7 times 6, that equals 42. Also, the bottom one's got the 7 and the 6. I was looking at the 2 and the 4 in the top one, but actually we've got some digits on the bottom now. 9 plus 7 equals 16 for the bottom one? Yes, that's good. And it couldn't have been 7 plus 9, because I cleverly ruled out that position for the 7. That's one way to ensure that you don't get a 50-50 guess. Oh, what are we doing at the top then? 4 times 5 equals 20 is a strong possibility. Another 50-50 wrong. Wow. I feel like I was very unlucky today with some of my guessing. But still, completed the full set in under 10 minutes, so that's never a bad time. Considering the other day I spent more than 10 minutes on one particular puzzle. So completing 6 in 10 minutes is fine, I think. So yeah, thank you for watching, as always. Bye for today.